So yesterday was Friday, the 10th day of October 2025. It happened in Enugu that the police who were on the road, blocking the road, as usual, they used to stop vehicles. So many of them do collect bribe and so on and so forth. So the bandits now arrive. The bandits came, the police left, they ran away, and the bandits blocked the road. They started terrorizing, they started kidnapping. They said they stayed there for almost 2 hours in Enugu State. And this is not a rocket science. This is what we have been saying. If you watch my recent videos, I made mention of the terror attack in Kogi State, that it will energize the people who have been in Enugu State to start terrorizing. Now, I want to make something clear to you. These bandits have been in Enugu, so they are not coming to Enugu now. They have been in Enugu for some time now. They have not started terrorizing Enugu, and down to the southeast does not mean that they are not there. Even when they made their movement, that was some months ago, we still reported it. So the situation at hand now is that these people are not going away. These people will re-strategize, plan, infiltrate the city, go down, just as what you are seeing right now in the southwest, Kwara down, going to Osun State, what you are seeing in the middle belt, in the northern part of the country. The plan is already there to infiltrate Enugu and start attacking Ebonyi State and so on and so forth. So it is time for people to take caution and understand what is about to come. If you do not prepare for anything, when it comes, it will overwhelm you. But we have a lot to talk about this situation happening in Enugu State. Take a look.
Happening life. Nsukka Road leading towards our kidnappers. Ya ka na ya zido boda. Zi crowd. Nsogbu dịkwa. Road don block. This is no more safe. Nego n'ụzọ Nsukka here. Everywhere is blocked. The big boys happening now. Live, kidnappers. Power! I don't go to my own self.
Hey, Jesus. May God help us. So we are stuck here because of kidnapping. Hey. Kidnappers at Agro-P. God help your people. I ain't seeking. May God help us. I can't call them for the moon. Hey, what can you do? Where is our
Police, where's the Africa? So shoot guy in prison. Civilians are not boss, police are not boss. Civilians are not boss, police are not boss. Get on the get trying. I can't remember. I just better allow. I am my good barretta. I don't say now. Confirm. Maybe I hear them. Oh, confirm. Our saviors don't come. Confirm. No, I like and I told you. The $10 ton was here. The $10. Kita kusugi tunu na ton wa. The $10.
Yes, that happened yesterday evening around 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Nigerian time. It's so unfortunate that a lot of people are not aware of what is about to happen. Now, let me also take you back to 2014, 2015. One of the things, not only, one of the things that energizes this Biafra agitation was the, the attacks that started happening in Ebonyi State and Enugu State. Many people were killed, so many people were raped, and the governors, the politicians, they were not interested on the people. Imagine like what happened in Enugu some time ago where the women were protesting. The governor even snubbed them and said there is no bandits attack in Enugu State. Just imagine when the women were crying, protesting that they are putting sticks on their private parts and so on and so forth, killing their husbands. Mba said no bandits attack in Enugu State. So he made mockery of the helpless women who were crying out for help. And the danger of all these things is that since you are undermining it, trying to protect the culprits, the thing is going to grow fast. This was the reason why ESN was set up. Whether it was hijacked after Nnamdi Kanu's detention, whether criminals hijacked it and started making mockery of the purpose, that is another angle. But the primary purpose why ESN was set up was a vigilante group that will protect people in the farm. That was when these people started killing, started raping. So a lot of people will just jump into issue without knowing the background of these issues. Have you ever asked yourself, why is it that when you mention like Nnamdi Kanu name, you mention IPOB, majority of Igbos love them? Do you ask yourself why? Because the agitation or IPOB was presented as a solution, not as a problem. It was presented as a solution to the invasion of the bandits in the southeast. And they were saying that their women could go to farm again without bandits attack. So they love these people. But at the time after the Nnamdi Kanu's, detention. So criminal elements, if someone go and kidnap, he will call himself a Biafra agitator. Someone will go out and kill his fellow Igbo man, he will call himself Biafra agitator. That was opposite of the purpose of ESN. So that is why if people are trying to talk about these people are Nnamdi Kanu, I say shut up. Shut up. So when you on a lighter or just a stick of matches, you throw it into the bush, it could burn down a nation. If they ask, what caused the fire? Maybe some persons will say, oh, it's not the cigarette I was smoking that I threw there that burned the whole community. You did. So the people who hijacked this issue of Biafra agitators were politically sponsored terrorists. Politically sponsored terrorists. And now they have been able to convince some persons that Nnamdi Kanu is against them. But the truth is, Nnamdi Kanu is never against you. This thing you're about to see now, I mean the wave of attack that you're about to see in Igbo land at this moment going, is the reason, or was the reason Nnamdi Kanu set up the ESN. So if there is any vigilante you can set up by yourself, do. Forget about all these people telling you that they have vigilante in Bubago or in Anambra State. See, Bändits is going to overrun your towns. Don't say I did not say it though, because when I will do video that time, I will tell you that I told you that Bändits is going to overrun your towns and villages. These people are not looking back, so get ready about it. Now, let us just quickly look into the details of the article from our reporters that reads that Nigerian police flee as kidnappers block popular highway in Enugu State. And this is the details of the article. A disturbing video circulating on social media has captured a scene of chaos along the Ugwogo Nike Opi in Soka Road in Enugu State, where suspected kidnappers reportedly laid siege to motorists on Friday evening. The video posted by an ex-formerly Twitter user identified as Chooks was captioned, "Kidnappers were operating along Ugwogo Nike by Opi in Soka, Enugu State at exactly 7 p.m. this evening. The police officers on duty reportedly fled for their lives until the Nigerian army arrived at the scene." The 2-minute clip recorded by a trapped commuter showed several vehicles halted on the highway as panic spread among the travelers. The narrator in the viral footage was heard saying happening live in Soka Road. Road don't block. East is no more safe. In Soka Hills, everywhere is blocked. Happening now, live, kidnappers. We are stuck here because of kidnappers. Kidnappers, God help your people. So that was just the video you saw at the beginning. So the incident reportedly caused a total standstill along the busy route, which connects Nsukka City to several northern communities of the state. So reporters earlier reported that at least 3 traders of Hausa descent were reportedly killed in violent clash at the new artisan market in Enugu North local government area of Enugu State. The incident, which occurred on Tuesday, also left several others seriously injured, Sarah reporters gathered. Eyewitness said the confrontation began after some traders accused one of their members of armed robbery and attempted to stone him to death. From what we understand, one Hausa trader was identified as robbing people every night. So on Tuesday, some fellow Hausa traders at the new artisan market stormed to his house and dragged him out. Yusuf Usman, an eyewitness, told Sarah reporters. So the situation escalated when another group of traders attempted to rescue the accused man, triggering a retaliatory attack and resulted in 2 additional deaths and left 1 person seriously injured. So that was jungle justice in Enugu State, but it's not part of this terrorism issue we are talking about. That was someone was robbing, and Hausa people said they want to stone him to death because he's robbing. So it's a different thing entirely to what is happening in Enugu State and what is about to happen. What are you going to do? These people are already in Enugu. Your bushes are already occupied. These people's mission this time around is to overrun your communities. They will start from rural areas, overrunning your towns, your communities, and they are going to come out inside the town. The mandate is to strategize all key areas in Nigeria. By 2026, they are going to unleash the urban terror. I call it the urban terror that is going to happen in Nigeria. You can see bandits, just like 100 driving motorbike. The military, the soldiers will not be able to confront them. The peace deal they will make is going to allow so many terrorists to strategize before these attacks will start happening. A lot of people will blame Tinubu. A lot of people will say, no, maybe they should divide this country. A lot of people will say a lot of things. And you know what? There will be a serious revolution. What is this guy even saying? What am I saying? Anyway, save this video, okay? Save it anywhere you want to save it because it is going to happen.